Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the pipette that covers your target volume and setting it precisely. This matters because accuracy drops near range limits. Once set, depress the plunger to the first stop and attach a new sterile tip with a firm twist. Do not touch the tip. Make sure the volume display shows the exact digits you need, because even small errors multiply in assays, so set it now and verify before you aspirate any liquid. Once done setting up, position the pipette vertically and insert the tip just below the surface. This reduces air uptake. You depress to the first stop before entering the liquid, then release smoothly and steadily to aspirate. Rapid release causes bubbles and inconsistent volumes. Make sure the liquid forms a clean meniscus inside the tip. If you see air gaps, repeat with a fresh tip and slower release. This technique ensures you transfer the intended volume. To finish, place the tip against the receiving vessel wall and depress to the first stop to dispense, then press to the second stop to blow out residual liquid. This ensures full delivery. Withdraw the tip while keeping the plunger depressed so liquid doesn't re-enter the tip. Finally, eject the tip into appropriate waste and change tips between samples. If volumes seem off, check for worn tips or incorrect volume setting, recalibrate or replace tips to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.